What's up, guys? Got the triple black Air Jordan 1s. These are not mids, by the way. Conventional Air Jordan 1 box with the Nike black and red. Pretty fly. These are the triple black Jordan 1s, as you know from the title, and I said it previously. Here's your extra pair of laces right here. You get a pair of red laces in case you want to rock these with some red laces. And here they are. Pretty fly if you ask me. Wings logo, conventional. Nike logo, conventional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lace holes. Conventional. Conventional Jordan 1 grip as well. How many times did I say conventional in this video? Comment below. I really enjoy the tumbled leather on these. I think they're pretty fire. All in all, it's a great little sneaker. Let me just throw them on here real quick. As you can see on foot, they're pretty respectable, you know? I got a lot of light coming in through here, so that's why it looks kind of white and shiny. But all in all, I think it's a fire shoe. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Check out the other pair of these before you go. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.